Hello everyone, I am back with another Animal Jam video. I know I said I was going to do Minecraft, but it kept crashing whenever I was playing that and recording, so now here I am with Animal Jam. I know these videos are somewhat boring, but hey, why not? I mean, it helps me, and yeah, it's something I would like to do. And I'd also like to make this a hobby, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not. And also, hit that bell icon because when you tap it, it looks like it's ringing and it's really cool. Along with the subscribe button, whenever you hit it, it changes colors. And yeah, check that out. Woo! Um, I forgot what I was gonna say, but I was gonna say something else. So still live streams. Don't know what to do. I'm just gonna stop bringing that up because I'm not going to be able to do that anytime soon. So, on with the video. Let's try and have fun in this video because they're mostly always boring. So, if y'all have any ideas on, what I can do in Animal Jam, then, yeah, let me know. And, by the way, be sure to check out not Kind Wolfie, but yeah, go check her out too. She's cool. My best friend, Ivy Fox, but her YouTube channel is called Wild Ivy. Ivy spelled with an I-V-Y-E. So, yeah, check her out. She's really cool. And so yeah, I'm probably going to go ruin some people's lives. I'm kidding. Probably going to go to parties. Oh, that person said no, probably because someone joined. Let's go to the cruise ship. I'm just gonna tell people to Google. No, I can't them because no. Oh, by the way, there is one item I love, and it is called Scully Tails. They are beautiful, and I want one, and I would do anything to have one. So yeah, if you have one, let me know. They're worth 2 betas, and I'm willing to trade 2 betas, as in beta 1, beta 1. Scroll down some. No, I'm busy not streaming, my lord. And beta 2. That's why I'm willing to trade. I know they're worth dim betas, but I don't really have dim betas. I just traded my last one, and I got these candy cane socks. I know they're not worth it, but I love them. Yeah. Um. Leave. No, I already have. That is not fair. That's a beta. That's a Monday rare. That's a rim. Hang on. That is not fair. That 9 is fair. Can you put your socks up on trade? Me? Okay, if he's asking me to put my socks on trade, I'm gonna be like, no. And BTW, that last trade was not fair. Because I like them. And I want them. Sorry. What is fair? Beta. Beta for that. Sorry, guys. Beta. I don't. Okay, sorry, this got really weird. Okay, so I'm gonna go to a different party now, and I'm gonna tell people I'm recording, and they're going to be on YouTube. And no. Oh, it ended. You know what? No. Don't argue. I'm kidding. I'm not really gonna block her. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna go to Jamal and I'm gonna scream, "Hey, I'm recording. Say hi to YouTube." Although you can't say YouTube, so I have to come up with something I can say. So say hi to YT. Say hi to YT. I'm Rec. Say hi to you, YT. I'm Rec. Red. Okay, apparently I'm red. And if no one believes me, then oh well. Look me up. Watch me get like something saying, "Oh, you can't say this." Yep. Look it up. And scrub, please. And scrub, please. And thank you. So this is so this is important to me. Scrub. I can't say sub. I can't say. Dude, stop it. Okay. You know what? You're being rude. Like, no joke. The Dark Shadow is being really rude, so. Get Otter here. Okay, yeah, so, like. I'm going to go to. Yeah, pretty much. Report. And I'm gonna say. Have a great day, Dark Shadow. Bye now. See, kindness overrules your evilness, you butt. So, I'm still gonna post this video. I'm just gonna make a one after it that's gonna be more entertaining and not so much drama. I don't like drama. Drama's too much. So yeah. Oh, and if you like my dinner creations, be sure to check it out. Oh, and here's a little sneak peek of some of my artwork. And here's a whole bunch of more sneak peeks of my artworks. Oh, no. Who is this? Oh, Mother. Okay, well, I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.